in my 20 years plus experience, what I've seen are the new upgrades to welding technology are things like automation of welding processes, as well as development of newer welding processes. For instance, friction stir welding that are being used to weld advanced or difficult to weld materials or dissimilar materials. Another thing you'll find again is the evolution of advanced NDT methods that are making inspection of welding and welding related products to easy to assess. I think those are some of the biggest upgrades to the welding industry in the last 20 years. That's my opinion.